Alright, just a quick video today. If you didn't watch the last video, we sold some jet skis and bought a boat. Got the jet skis for free, flipped them, and ended up with this boat. Now we're making it our own. So as you can see, I went ahead and put the first of, I guess you could call it, 3 decals. We hailed from North Pole, Alaska, and now we're in Missouri, and we're gonna show it off a little bit. So I had these custom decals made. There's a company in Connecticut called Southbury Printing Company, SPC Inc. They do awesome custom decals. These were about $100 for the whole set. You know, really good, high quality decals. So I was able to put this on. Excuse me with the background volume, with no bubbles at all. And I want to show you how I did it, because I've never been able to do it until I read Southbury Printing Company's what's it called, directions. So unfortunately, when my dad shipped this to me, because he bought these decals for me as a gift, it got a little discontorted and messed up the decal. As you can see, it's a good remover for adhesives. So basically, long story short, you need to get your surface clean. So I had a Rinker decal on here before, which you might just barely be able to see. It says RINKER. And what I did first is I got goof off, which is in a bottle. You pour it onto these blue rags, and all you have to do is just take the rag like this and wipe, and then the decals will start to go away. Do that for all of your old lettering, get that stuff out of the way, and it'll really clean the surface well for you. And then when you're done with that, it says on these directions you don't want to mix, like this is prep fluid basically, right? So it also acts as a cleaner. So if you have, you know, a whole bunch of adhesive, what I want to do is sort of isolate the steps. So what I did is I did the goof off first, then I walked away, kind of let it all evaporate and do its thing, and had a clean surface. But then I didn't want to take any chances, so I took soap and water and I just cleaned the whole thing all over again. As you can see, when I did these steps I'm telling you about right now, there's not a single bubble on the first half of these decals. So what we did next is we followed the instructions on this bottle. So like I said, unfortunately they're hard to read, but clean surface thoroughly. So this is after I did goof off, soap and water. This is your final prep. It's going to get all the dust and stuff you can't see off. So clean surface thoroughly with Rapid Tack, this stuff, and kitchen paper towel, or this is, you know, a cloth, you know, lint-free style shop towel. Do not use other cleaner or solvents, which is why I isolated those steps. Like I said, we do recommend Rapid Prep cleaner for surfaces that may have been exposed to wax, silicone, or other contaminants, much like boats. Spray surface again with Rapid Tack, peeling back off decal and place on surface. So basically what that means is right before you put your sticker on, you're going to take this crap, you're going to douse the surface. So I'm going to get my measurements probably off camera and make sure I get this next sticker in the right location, and make sure it's not all sideways and cattywampus. So you're going to clean it one last time, wipe it down, and then you're going to peel the back off. Then once you've wiped your surface clean, you're going to then take your spray bottle and douse the area, and then you'll see it start streaking. And then you're going to take your decal, place it on there, and then what it says is you take a squeegee like this. It's a little plastic chunk. If you go through Southbury Printing Company in Connecticut, I'll put the info in the description below. They can set you up with one of these. You can probably get one at Lowe's or Walmart or somewhere, basically anywhere. And what you'll be able to do is take that and squeegee all of the remaining fluid out behind. So essentially what you're doing is you're not giving the decal any opportunity to get air bubbles back there, because you're saturating it with a fluid that'll then squeeze out of the way and evaporate. So once I lay this in place, I'm going to go ahead and record this for you guys too. I'll do exactly what I just said. So let's do that now. too bad. It looks awesome. Very cool. Centered pretty good, measurement wise. On center between these two, you step back up. Not a single bubble. There were some creases from the packaging itself, but those are just working their way out. It's really cool. Yeah, follow those instructions to a T and you're golden. Gotta remove my pen mark now. I'm impressed. Now we're talking. That came out good.